learners, let's learn 3 English phrases to end a conversation politely. These phrases will help you end conversations gracefully. Do you ever struggle to end a conversation politely? Today, I'll teach you 3 natural English phrases to close a chat without sounding rude. Phrase 1. It was great talking to you, but should get going. This is warm and friendly. Use it when you enjoyed the conversation but need to leave. Maybe you're busy, running late, or heading to another task. Phrase 2. I'll let you go now. Have a great day. This phrase is polite and considerate. It shows that both of you probably have things to do and you end the conversation on a positive note. Phrase 3. I'd love to continue this chat later. Bye for now. Use this when you want to stop the conversation for the moment, but you're open to talking again later. It keeps things friendly and ongoing. Conclusion. Try these phrases the next time you need to end a conversation politely. You'll sound confident, natural, and respectful. Happy learning! I'll see you in the next. Like, share, and subscribe.